I can actually differentiate between my role as a teacher, as a trainer, and from facilitation. Hi, my name is Hafidzah. I'm from Pergas. So I attended this Facilitation Essentials skills by Mr. Hazriq, and I think it's very beneficial for me personally as a teacher, because from here I can actually differentiate between my role as a teacher, as a trainer, and from facilitation. So I think it's very it's essential, and also I would recommend this training because I think you as a member of you as a staff, or you as a member of an organisation, I'm sure you need this facilitation skill while attending meetings, to chair discussions, meetings, and so on. Yeah, with that, thank you so much.